friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Freak, and today I'm back with all of you with my next video on keyboard shortcuts. The shortcuts that I'm going to be talking about today is related to date and time functions. Date and time functions are very important if you are doing any calculations which involve our dates, like date of purchase, date of putting in an order. Herein, it's important to take into account what is current date and current time. So let's look at using a formula, how can I insert today's date and today's time at this point in time wherein I am feeding in the formula. Also, for both of them, we'll look at what is the keyboard shortcut. So first, let's start with today function. So it is equal to today, T-O-D-A-Y, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Herein, you do not have any variable between your parentheses. As you hit enter, it will give you today's date in the system date and time format. For me, the system date and time format is month/date/year. And that's exactly what it is showcasing me at this point in time. Now, the shortcut for this will be control and semicolon. Exactly same date has been shown to me, but this one is without a formula but with the help of a shortcut. On the other hand, the first one that I have written was with the help of today function. Now let's look at how do we get to the time at this point in time. So to calculate time, we'll say is equal to now, because we're looking at time of this particular moment. Again, we'll open parenthesis and close the parenthesis. Again, we are going to have no variable within our brackets or within the parenthesis. And we'll hit enter. What it has given me is today's date as well as the time. The keyboard shortcut for this will be Control, Shift and semicolon. Very similar to my date shortcut. For the date, it was Control and semicolon. For time, it is Control, Shift and semicolon. Do try out these particular functions as well as the keyboard shortcuts, and feel free to reach me in case you face any issues. I'll be coming up with more and more keyboard shortcuts for all of you. Thank you and have a great evening.